University of New Hampshire at Manchester is a small campus that makes a big impact. Through students who research tissue engineering, produce impactful films, design robots, and push boundaries. And graduates who are changing the world, from improving human health to advancing technology to bettering the lives of our community. Students choose UNH Manchester for value, an affordable, career-driven college that gets results, like above-average job placement and below-average cost, with nearly a third of students graduating with zero debt. Here, you earn the world-class UNH degree in the heart of Manchester, surrounded by companies that offer internships and jobs to our students. Whether you want to start college closer to home, finish your degree in the state's tech hub, or advance your career with a master's degree, UNH Manchester prepares you for success in today's high-demand fields.